Welcome to JH. I recently gave the TCL S45H soundbar a spin, and the first thing that hits you is how sleek and compact it is. Perfect for anyone who wants better audio without turning their living room into a NASA control center. Despite its small footprint, it delivers a surprisingly powerful sound that actually fills the room. Setup was quick and easy with both wired and wireless options, making it accessible even for those who still struggle with basic cable management. Once it's powered on, the audio quality is crisp, clear, and impressively balanced. Movie dialogue comes through sharp enough to catch every whispered cliché, while the bass provides a solid punch without vibrating your neighbor's dentures off. Music sounds full and rich, offering a massive upgrade from standard TV speakers that usually sound like a frustrated bee trapped in a soda can. The real charm of the TCL S45H is how it manages to combine simplicity with genuine quality. It fits effortlessly into any space, adding a cinematic feel to your shows and making music listening actually enjoyable for once. Overall, it's a high-performance unit for its size that has definitely earned its place in my home, mostly because I'm finally done squinting with my ears just to understand the plot.